In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set lots or units for symbols in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know how to open the right ticket, choose a volume that fits your strategy, and save it so it's automatically used the next time you trade that symbol. Start by opening Ctrader, either on desktop or in your web browser. If you're prompted, sign in and make sure you're on the correct trading account. It's a good idea to practice this on a demo account first so you can get comfortable without risking real funds. Next, look to your watch list. This is where your instruments are organized. If you don't see the symbol you want, use the search bar to find it and add it to the list. Once you see it, double-click the symbol. That opens its chart in the main area, and that chart is where you'll place and configure your order. On the chart, locate the buy and sell buttons at the top left. Clicking one of these opens the order ticket for that direction. If one-click trading is enabled on your platform, be careful not to instantly execute an order. In that case, use the small arrow or ticket icon next to the button to open the ticket without placing a trade. The goal here is simply to bring up the order panel so you can set your preferred quantity. In the order ticket, find the volume field. This is where you enter the amount you want to trade. Depending on your broker and settings, volume may be expressed in lots or in units. If it shows lots, remember that one Ctrader lot is typically 100,000 units on many forex pairs, while indices, commodities, or crypto may have their own contract sizes. Use the plus and minus controls for quick adjustments or type the exact number you want. Keep an eye on any on-screen details like margin cost, pip or tick value, and estimated commissions. If your platform provides a calculator or risk view, use it to confirm the position size aligns with your account risk. Also, check the minimum and increment step for that symbol so your volume is valid. Once your volume looks right, save it as the default for this symbol. In the ticket, look for an option such as Save as Default or a small save icon that applies the current ticket settings to this specific instrument. This way, every new ticket for this symbol will pre-fill with your chosen volume, saving time and helping you stay consistent. Repeat the same process for any other symbols you trade. That's it. You've opened the platform, accessed the symbol, brought up the order ticket, set the volume, and saved it as the default for future orders on that instrument.